Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. You tune into the Market Business Edition. Your fellow competitor speaking. As the title suggests, my high conviction stock. Okay, revealed to you in this video. Please understand this is not a stock recommendation for you to start buying this stock. I'm actually going to go over a worst case scenario, assuming that the buyers have control of this market. It's a pretty severe retracement, so if you're long this market, definitely stick around and hopefully explore this with me here in the video. And we're also going to go over a conservative price target, critical level, time frame, all revealed in this video. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action via candlesticks and lines. Welcome in all of our new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's September the 14th, 2021, and the current price of RESN, I think it's pronounced Resonant Inc. It's going to be $2.60. It's 0%. It's just kind of hanging out exactly where it opened today. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are doing well. So remember, guys, please understand that I'm expecting the market to move lower here in the short term. So yes. All right. So here's what I've been following. Weekly candles. All right. So it's like a very large falling wedge, not like it is a falling wedge pattern, assuming that it doesn't crater below the critical level, which is at about $2.44. If it starts to like get really deeper below that level, then we may have to just kind of scratch out this entire falling wedge, and it's null and void. I'm going to explain those red, yellow, and green circles just below the price. Let's pull it back up, but hopefully you guys can actually see that. Let me just kind of show you if it isn't obvious enough, guys. Very large falling wedge pattern. If you're new to technical analysis, it's just simply where the market finds resistance at the descending line, support at the descending line within this falling wedge pattern. And then of course, when you get the breakout, it typically has a vicious move. It did have a really nice move, but so far it's given all of those profits back all the way back down to, it wicked as low as 244, but just a quick explanation of the falling wedge pattern. Now let's put up the lower time frames, the weekly candles, and I want to explain to you the red, yellow, and blue circles. So it's really simple. On the channel here, if you're new, we find higher highs and higher lows to verify an uptrend. And if the market is in a downwards trend, which this market is in a downtrend, so if you've ever bought this stock, you've been buying into a downtrending market, okay? You understand, I'm a counter trend player. That's what I'm invested in. We are invested in this stock. Well, actually, just contracts, no stocks just yet, okay? So the circles. The red circle represents the lowest level recorded in history in the stock community, tradingview.com, and it's 92 cents. I also noticed back in March 2020, it reached as low as 95 cents, which is a higher low. Okay, we're looking for a trend reversal, so we're looking for higher lows. So just in case, I'm prepared. Hopefully you're prepared as well if you're, long this market. If the market just so happens to break below the critical level, not saying it will, but if it does, I would expect to see some more pressure to the downside. Now, whether it's going to happen fast, the slow methodical moves, I can't predict the future. I'm not sure, but I do have that one level at about 98 cents as the worst case scenario, assuming that the buyers do have control of this market and it's not in preparation to go to zero, as I am always open to stocks going to zero because I always have a strategy. I'm not overexposing myself. Hopefully you're practicing that as well out there, okay? Have a strategy and not overexposing yourself. 98 cents would be the kind of really, you had better pick this price up if it continues lower. And again, I'm not saying it's actually going to happen, but there's the blueprint in terms of what to look for. If there's a severe retracement in the market and you're just trying to figure out, okay, what am I looking for if it's continuing lower, okay? I hope it never gets to 98 cents though, guys, okay? Critical level, we've already gone over that, $2.44. The line in the sand for me to... Maybe we can get some consolidating like within the relative range. Even if it kind of wicks below there, you're going to look for the 3-day and weekly candles to close above the 244 level. Again, if it gets that low. So I'm just giving you, what to look for in the charts here. And our time frame is going to be on this is 365 days from today. I'm really not good with timing this. So I figure a conservative price time frame would be a year from today, which will be September 2020. Our conservative price target just above the price action here is going to be $11.92. That's my conservative price target. I think it could reach higher levels, but let's take it one step at a time as we are not even close to that level right now. Let's see if we can get a thumbnail going here. So from the current price, 260-ish, all the way up to $11.92 would be about 360% to the upside. All right, so that's pretty much all I have. You guys have the time frame, critical level, the potential retracement. This should be enough information to hold for the next 365 days. So I just want to reveal to you guys my highest conviction stock. Oh, and no, some may ask, dude, why is it your highest conviction stock? So I honestly, I hold back some of the information that I share with y'all that we can hopefully exchange in some sort of Patreon or something outside of YouTube. But it's literally just one candlestick that I notice on the chart that leads me to believe, which is not guaranteed, that the market will likely reach $11.92 as a conservative price target at some point here in the future. Okay. So again, that hopefully this blueprint is enough information for you all. If you're long-term investing, hopefully this is useful for you there. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video. If you are new, we explored the alternative markets. If you're into that, Bitcoin altcoins, kindly subscribe with us. We'll send that out when it is available, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping out. I appreciate your time. Remember to execute your strategies as usual. Always be kind, of course. Positive energy, check. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys.